Like a debutante's tiara finishes off a look, chutneys are the thing that finish off curries. You know, every curry needs a great partner. So, you know, just like you've got Batman and Robin, you've got Tom and Jerry, you've got Laurel and Hardy, that's what curries need. They need partners. Now, my Uncle Stan does this fantastic chutney, and it's a sweet and sour tomato chutney. It's dead easy to make, and it works fantastically well if you want to use it with crudité, or if you want to use it as a dip for tortilla chips. I tend to use it really with kebabs, such as lamb kebabs, you know, but you can use it for a number of different kind of dipping purposes. So let's get into it. We've got 2 tomatoes. They go into my blender. We've got 2 finger green chilies. These add a little bit of kick and a little bit of heat. Those go in as well. I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of lime juice, and that just gives it a little kind of freshness, a little bit of zing in there as well. That all goes in. Super quick, this chutney. I also add 2 garlic cloves. Complement that with 2 centimetres of freshly peeled ginger. I've got tamarind concentrate, and that's the thing that gives it a delicious piquancy. And we're going to add about sort of half a teaspoon, and you can get tamarind concentrate in your supermarket. That's the beautiful thing with all these ingredients. You can get them in your local supermarket. I have about half a teaspoon of freshly toasted fennel seeds, and they give it a really nice kind of perfume, really like that slight aniseedy sort of taste to the chutney. Pop in 3 teaspoons of sugar. The reason that you need the sugar is because you've got a lot of acidity that's going on in the blender. You've got the lime juice, you've got the tomatoes as well, so you need something that's just going to balance it off a little bit. And I just add in just a touch of salt. Whiz all of that together. And what you get is this delicious kind of red sienna kind of coloured chutney. This super quick, delicious, sweet and sour tomato chutney. Perfect for your kebabs, brilliant alongside crudité, easy to make and delicious as a side to any curry.